Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Crush Lusher Television. Alright, I'm going to do a problem up here and then you do a problem down at the bottom. We're going to do 2 rounds of this, see if you can get the problems right after I explain, so pay particularly close attention. Pause the video if you need, okay? Here we go. First one, read along with me. The cost of a hamburger and a soft drink together is $2.10. The cost of 2 hamburgers and a soft drink or cold drink together is $3.50. What's the cost of a soft drink? No problem. Okay, so first I need to define the variables. So let's say X is a hamburger and Y is your soft drink or cold drink, your Coke, your Pepsi, your Orange Crush. Yeah, 24. Okay, so systems of equations. Go back and read. A hamburger and a soft drink together is $2.10. Okay, no problem. We got that. All right, now 2 hamburgers and a soft drink together is $3.50. So 2 hamburgers plus a soft drink is $3.50. Okay, so that's my system. So now I'm going to slide it over here. X plus Y is $2.10. Hamburger and soft drink is $2.10. And then 2 plus Y, 2x plus Y is $3.50. Okay, so I can actually look at this and see what the answer is, but another thing I can do is solve the system's equation. So I can multiply this top equation by -1, so I can get a magic pair right here. Or I can multiply it by -2 and get a magic pair right here. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to multiply by -1 because it's easy to multiply by -1. You just change the sign. So it's -1x plus -1y or minus 1y equals -210. Whoop! There you go. Okay, so we can add it up. There you go. 2x minus 1x is just x. 1y plus -1y is 0y. Goodbye. I can eliminate a variable. I love when I can do that. And 350 minus 210 is $1.40. There you go. So $1.40. So your hamburger, I know hamburger is X right there. That's why I write that down. Hamburger is $1.40. There you go. But it asks me for a soft drink, doesn't it? So it's not E. So I plug back in. Whoop! Right here. So it's going to be $1.40 plus Y is $2.10. So I'm going to subtract $1.40. So Y equals 70 cents. Got it. Okay, 70 cents. So that would be Y is a soft drink right here. So soft drink is 70 centavos. There you go. So C is the answer, not E. So I'm looking for a soft drink. Always focus on that question like that. Okay? So next problem right here. Try on your own. Okay? You're going to fill up all the boxes like I did and see if you find the solution, okay? Then press play and see what I got. Ready, set, pause. Okay, great. Welcome back. Let's see if you got it. Okay, so hamburger was X. See if you got that. And Y is your cold drink. Okay, so hamburger and a cold drink together is $3.50. And then we have a hamburger plus 3 cold drinks is $5.50. Okay, you slide that over. A hamburger and a cold drink is $3.50, and then a hamburger and 3 cold drinks is $5.50. Okay, so some of you can actually see what's going on here, but if you can't, you can multiply the top by -1. You get a magic pair there, or by -3. I'll multiply by -3 because I was bored with -1. Whatever, we can do it the other way. If you multiply by -1, you should get the same answer. Stay tuned. Check it out. So it'd be -3x minus 3y or plus -3y equals -$10.50 because that's -3 times -350. Whoop! Now I got my magic pair right here. Add them up. -2x equals 550 plus -1050 is -5 smackaroos, $5. Divided by -2. Cut it in half. Negative divided by negative is positive. So x is $2.50. So x is a hamburger. Hopefully you got that. Hamburger is $2.50. So I got my answer right there. That's my hamburger is $2.50. I got that. But we're going to solve it for the cold drink anyway. Why? Because we're very thorough and we got to make sure that we're practicing correctly. And so just in case it might ask us in the future, we got to be ready. Okay? So $2.50 plus Y right here equals $3.50. Okay, got that. So I can do that in my head. 250 plus y, that's y is a buck. 250 plus $1 is 350. No problem. So your cold drink, that's your y, right here, is $1. Okay, got it. Hopefully you got the same thing. Check, 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 check the boxes. All right, next one. Flip the page. So this one's not as easy, but look at the, oop, that looks like an ACT question. Look at the way it's written. So let's get it done. I'm going to do one and you do one. This one's a little more challenging. The owner of a store displays a large jar of nickels and dimes, okay, and offers the value of the coins to the person who guesses how many dimes there are. Ooh, good. How much money is it? Let's find out. If there are 1,130 coins and they're worth $100, ooh, I'd love to earn $100 by guessing correctly. How many dimes are there? All right, so let's say N is nickels. I could say X, but N is easier. Easy to remember. D is dimes. Okay, got that. So generally with these problems, you have an amount equation and you have a money equation. Okay. So the amount would mean the nickels plus the dimes. So how many coins are there? Discounting the money. So we're not even talking about the value of the money. We're talking about the actual physical coins. So N plus D, the nickels plus the dimes, is 1,130 total coins. So that's what I'm talking about with amount. Now let's talk about the money. So that's where the $100 comes in. So that would be 5 cents N plus 10 cents a dime, because that's how much a nickel and a dime is worth, is 100 total dollars. So it's not 5N, because that'll be $5 per nickel. No, it's 0.05 N, 5 cents. Okay, let's slide these over. N plus D is 1,130, and we have 5 cents N plus 10 cents D equals 100 total dollars. All right, here we go. So I'm going to multiply this. I can multiply this by negative 0.05 to have a magic pair right here, or I can multiply it by negative 0.10 to have a magic pair right there. Doesn't matter. I'm going to multiply it by negative 0.05, negative 5 cents, because that's the first thing I wrote. It doesn't matter. Okay, so distribute, boom, 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 boom. All right, let's see what we got. So negative 0.05 N plus negative 0.05 D. Negative 0.05 times 1,130 is negative 5650. There you go. Add it up. Oop, the N's equals 0N. Goodbye. 10D, 0.10D plus negative 0.05D is 5 cents D. There you go. $100 minus 56.50, that would be $43.50. You got to handle your money like that. You got to be able to do the problems at the top of your dome. Divide by 0.05, divide by 0.05. Your dimes, D stands for dimes, is 870. There you go. So, dimes, 870 total. So, how many dimes there? Oh, we already got the answer, H. But let's figure out the nickels just because. So, let's plug back in here. So, nickels plus 870 equals 1,130. So, subtract 870, and the nickels are 260. There you go. Oh, there's a distractor right there on G. So, nickels, 270 nickels. So 260, my bad. 260. Okay? All right. So, look down on the second one. All right, I just changed a couple things, so you're going to do it on your own. See what I wrote in green? You need to fix your problem before you even start. Maricela has a bag containing 16 dimes and quarters. The total value of these coins is $3.25. What is the number of quarters that meet these conditions? So 16 dimes and quarters. Okay? 325. So change these, and then I want you to fill in all the boxes, see if you can get it right. Ready, steady, pause, go. All right, welcome back. Let's see if you got it. So D was dimes, obviously, and Q was the quarters. All right, so let's see what we got. So systems of equations. So the dimes plus the quarters, the amount would be 16 total, right? Now let's do the money equation. So the money, so this is one was the amount. Hopefully you got the same thing as me. So that would be 10 cents for a dime plus 25 cents for a quarter is $3.25 total cents. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so let's keep going. So dimes plus quarters, that would be 16 total coins, and then 10 cents a dime plus 25 cents a quarter equals $3.25. All right, looking good so far. Hopefully you got the same thing as me. All right, next, what am I going to do? Oh, I'm going to find a magic pair. So I'm going to multiply this top equation by negative 0.10. I could multiply by negative 0.25, doesn't matter. We get the same thing. So I'm going to distribute all the way through. Negative 0.10d plus negative 0.10q equals negative 0.10 times 16 is negative 1.6. Let's move the decimal over, right? 1. Whoop! There you go. All right. So 25, so this is 0, so I can get rid of that. 25 cents q plus negative 10 cents q is 15 cents q. And so I got 325 minus $1.60 is $1.65. So $1.65, there you go. Divide by 0.15, divide by 0.15. Divide by 0.15, hopefully got what I got, and I got the quarters is 11, there you go, 11 quarters. Quarters is 11, got it. So, I got the answer right there. Always check back, got the answer. Let's figure out how many dimes there are, shall we? So the quarters are 11, so dimes plus 11 equals 16. That makes, oh, it's easy, so 5 plus, so D is 5. Got it. So the dimes are 5 dimes and 11 quarters. Got it. There you go. So next, what are you going to do? Oh, here's some ones you're going to do on your own. You have 2 on this page and you have 2 on the next page. Raise your hand after each one to check, make sure you have the answer correct. Okay? You can do it. Ready, set, go.